quick little one for tonight then on the two-piece Jaguar wheel nut design. So hopefully you can see this is a Jaguar wheel nut, and this piece here, hopefully you can hear that, it's quite tinny and rattly because it's a loose cap on top of an ordinary wheel nut. So this is a two-piece wheel nut design. What happens over time is these caps, they work loose and they'll either round and chew up and cause you an issue with the outer piece trying to spin around the inner hexagon, or they'll come off entirely and your 18mm wheel socket will become a 17mm, which isn't a massive issue, but it's something you can avoid. Inside, this is what they look like. So I've cut the top off of this one, so that's just a flimsy little tin-like cover, and this is the wheel nut underneath. So it's still hexagonal, but these corners can round off when the outer sheath piece slips over the top of them. So the solution then is a one-piece wheel nut like this. So this doesn't have a separate cap end. This is one piece all the way through with the little floating washer on there as well. And I bought these from a site called Spot On Nuts and Bolts. I'm not affiliated or anything. I just thought it was a nice little product at a reasonable price and solves a little problem that you're quite likely to have in the future if you've got a Jaguar or a Ford that uses those two-piece nuts. He does them in a range of different styles and seats to fit different wheels, and yeah, just something to be aware of.